feels so good, baby. Won't you just stop now and listen to me? I'll be the first to say I'm tired of all the games we play, and never been competitive, but you sure know how to play it. In the car, in the walls, everyone knows when it calls, baby. I'll see you later. Found out, but I still need saving. You make me feel so goddamn good, yeah. I swear I could not fake it. Heaven is overrated, and I didn't even try. You make me feel like I'm alive. I swear I could not fake it. Heaven is overrated.
Salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin, pangaral, sacrifices mo para sa aming magkakapatid, sacrifices yung dalawa ni Papa. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay sana ay lagi ka pa rin malakas at maabutan mo pa yung lahat ng magiging apo mo. Makasama ka pa namin sa maraming travels. Andito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Kung gusto mo nang kasama kahit saan pumunta, samahan ka namin. Love you!
Thank you po sa lahat ng ginawa niyo para sa amin. Ang wish ko po sa iyo, more bondings po sa ating dalawa, tsaka sa buong family, tsaka more bugs to come po.
Hi, Mama! Happy 60th birthday to you. I thank you for everything that you've done for us, for our family. Thank you for all the love, the sacrifices, the unwavering support. And I just wish you the best everything in life has to offer. Gaya nga po ng nasabi ko na sa'yo, no? You can continue to live happily, continue singing, keep on laughing, keep on smiling, and please know that I love you so much. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday for Lola Ma. Salamat po sa lahat ng gift mo sa akin nung birthday ko tsaka nung Christmas. Sana po mas marami ka pang gift na ibigay sa akin. Thank you po. More gala to us. Yay!
Tired, I always feel nothing. I want for better or worse.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Luz!
So tell me the hard part's over, 'cause I got no more heart to break. Help me regain composure, say everything will be okay. Tell me the hard part's over.
Let's all welcome the birthday celebrant, my beloved mother, Luz Belinda Villang Cabañas.
Ang wish ko, sana lagi kang maging masaya at lagi kang malusog, no? At sana lalo kang maging sweet, no? Kapit sa akin. Although kahit lagi mo ko nilalamangan, wish ko sa iyo is sana lagi kang happy and in good health.